how do I choose the right power device technology for my HVAC compressor inverter? Hi, my name is Giovanni Parrino and I work in the application marketing team for HVAC. There are many factors to consider when designing the optimal HVAC inverter for your specific needs. Most common topology is the traditional B6 in both single and three-phase systems. For single-phase systems like in air conditioners, IGBT, even with silicon carbide diodes, are still the most popular technology. However, GaN enables heat-sink latch systems up to 1 kW, which reduces system assembly cost and efforts. For three-phase systems like in commercial heat pumps, silicon carbide provides higher power density and lower switching losses than silicon IGBTs, again reducing the system size and cost. For more information, please go to our website.